Alright guys, this is JAA here for Joanthony and Anthony. These are our two cousins, Isabel and JJ in the back. So what they're doing is their own little TikTok thing. So they're doing Mentos and Coke. They want to see if it can try and fly. For me, I got cashews, right? That's what it says on the bag. I actually dumped out the cashews and put cat treats in here. I'm going to make sure it's the cashew chips and get it to my family and see what they say. Let's find out. Okay, so doing it on my family didn't work, so I'm going to try it on my grandpa. Alright, so now they're trying their thing since our thing didn't work on my grandpa either, but I will guarantee I will get somebody by the end of the night. Go.
You gotta close it really fast.
Yeah.
Alright. This is like freaking middle school shit.
Go.
Close it and throw it up.
Ready?
Okay, so the first one I didn't really get a good view of. So this is my cousin JJ doing his.
Go.
Bro, it's not even working. I'm getting all soggy.
He's doing it again. Okay. Alright, now it's my cousin Isabel's turn. She does not have a YouTube channel, but I don't know if she does any stupid videos on Snapchat.
I definitely do, anyways.
What's up? Put your name out. Put a shout out for yourself.
I Charles 21, I think. Okay.
Wait, hold on. JJ, what about you?
John the King 46.
Anthony?
Awesome Gamer IV.
What a lame.
He has at least 84 subscribers. He needs more than that.
Yes.
Okay.
Shut it.
So what they're gonna do now is throw it.
No, here, I'll let you get a redo because...
No, you cannot shut it.
No, flip it again. It wouldn't shut it. It wouldn't shut it.
It's not gonna do it. Look at that. It's not gonna do it again.
No, it's not. All right.
Hold on, stop. Look at his clothes. Look at him. He looked like he pissed himself. It's a redo of JJ's. I don't know why they want to do this Mento. It's something off of TikTok. I know that. And when we were younger.
How many you want? 3?
If you want to follow me on Snapchat, Sloppy68.
You could not shut it.
I couldn't shut it.
JJ, record it. That's me.
Ready?
Hold on, wait.
Record it on camera.
Isabel, how many Mentos you got?
I got 3.
Alright, she's putting 3 Mentos in this time.
It's all right. Go.
Hold on. That way.
That sucks.
Oh my gosh, it's still going. Look at that. Stop. No. Quit throwing it at me. Hey, just to remind y'all, we bought like 8 things of Coke, so
Yeah.
I don't know how many that was.
That works.
Okay, if y'all don't remember that used to be a like volcanic thing we used to do back in school. That's what I think.
Oh my god.
How much has he chugged already?
Chug, finish it.
He's gonna shit himself probably. Okay, so we're on number 6.
Blocking my hand. I can't test it. Wait, is this one yours or mine?
Yours. Shower.
You're doing yours. All right, here.
Y'all are dumb for doing this.
Yo, my ring is all sticky. Oh, that's so sad.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. I'm about to be my...
Hold on. It's not even gonna do it. You don't got much in there.
Go. No, it's not. Hey, you use this one up.
the side.
Hey, quit, Anthony, quit. They gotta go. They gotta do shit. Doing it again.
Are you meant?
I couldn't do it. You took too long.
Oh my god, you lucky I'm not doing this shit.
Ew, look at. Oh, sticky.
Oh, shut up. Oh shit, watch out.
Oh shit.
It didn't work.
You see what I gotta deal with? Go.
I don't throw one of them last time.
Go!
He did.
You see what I gotta deal with, bro? Bro!
It's not gonna work, JJ. Yes, it is.
You're not doing it right. Oh shit.
It didn't work.
Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, watch out.
I should have probably taken off my ring.
Watch out.
Nope.
It didn't work. Empty bottles go in the half bottles, and we're making it go boom.
We're trying to make it go boom.
Go boom in the sky for TikTok.
Okay, so basically you didn't understand that because you kept on saying all the bottles that have barely anything left in it, they're putting inside one. They don't get a lot of Mentos left. Get your hands off my phone. Ready? Hold on.
It's not gonna work.
What happened to wait?
It's already condensed. They're already like flattened out.
What if you put all of them in there?
JJ, watch it open up and you just.
Like you did last one.
It's like your boyfriend.
I was gonna say.
See, it's not gonna do anything. Y'all just already flattened them out. You're just adding Mentos for no reason. Y'all use the last of the Dr. Pepper, the Cokes.
Yeah, don't say this. There ain't nothing in there.
It just opened up though.
The top came off.
Oh,
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. These guys are